There are now two ways to build AI automations, and most people are picking the wrong one. On one hand, you've got n8n, the visual canvas tool that's been the go-to for building workflows. On the other, we've got Claude Code, where you literally just tell an AI what you're looking for and it codes the entire automation for you. Both can achieve very similar results, but they work in completely different ways, and depending on who you are, one of these is going to be a far better fit than the other. So for this video, I'm going to break down the real pros and cons of each based on what I've actually experienced using both of them so that you can decide which one you should be using. If you're new to the channel, my name is Brendan Jout. I'm based in Australia and I've been running my AI automation agency, Inflate AI, for the past 3 years. We use tools like n8n every single day to build automations for clients, and recently I've been testing Claude Code as an alternative approach. So I've got a pretty good understanding of where each one excels and where each one falls short. So first, let me quickly explain what n8n is for anyone who isn't fully familiar. n8n is a visual node-based automations platform. So you can think of it as just a big canvas where you drop and drag different blocks. Each of these blocks represent a step in your workflow and you can connect them together visually. For example, you might have a trigger node that watches for new form submissions, connected to an AI node that processes that data, connected to a Google Sheets that logs the data, connected to a Slack node that will notify your team. So everything is laid out visually. You can see the entire flow, click on any step, and you can see exactly what data went in and what came out. It's become one of the most popular tools in the AI automation space, and for very good reason. If you've watched any of my previous content, you'll know that I've been using it pretty extensively for many different use cases. Now, Claude Code is something completely different. Claude Code is Anthropic's AI coding agent. It has direct access to your computer, your file system, your terminal, and it can write, execute, and debug code autonomously. So instead of dragging and dropping nodes on a canvas, we're just describing what we want in plain English. You might say something like, build me an automation that watches Google Sheets for new rows, sends each entry into OpenAI for a classification, and then posts those results to me in a Slack channel. And Claude Code is just going to go ahead and build that. It's going to write the entire code script, install any dependencies, set up the API connections, and you're going to have a working automation in just a few minutes. So there's no visual canvas, there's no dragging and dropping. It's just a prompt and then you get direct code. So I'll get started by going through the advantages of n8n first before comparing this to Claude Code. So for number one, it is incredibly easy to visualize your automations. This is probably n8n's biggest strength right now, and honestly, it is hard to overstate how valuable this can be. When you open up an n8n workflow, you can immediately see the entire logic of the automation. Every step, every connection, every branch, you can see it and you know exactly what's happening and in what order as well. This matters a lot when you're building for clients because you need to be able to explain what's going on. If a client asks how something works, you can literally share your screen if you wanted to and walk them through it. If you're interested in scaling your own AI voice agency and becoming a better AI developer, we've just released our AI Launchpad school community. Inside, you're going to get access to a complete A to Z course on how to build AI voice agents alongside an A to Z course on how to use n8n to build AI workflows and agents. We've also partnered with Booked-In, which is a voice and chat AI client dashboard software, which you'll get as a bonus within the community. We've got over $3 million in software discounts for some of the top AI and business tools, including n8n, Make, Stripe, Webflow, Lovable, and so much more. I guarantee you will make your money back in the first day using these discounts. Alongside all this, I've hired the top voice AI and automation developers to work in the community to provide unlimited technical support. So if you ever have a question or problem you need solving, we'd love to help you out. I'll have the community linked in the description. Number two, debugging is very straightforward. So when something goes wrong in n8n, and things will always go wrong, of course, you can click into any of these nodes, open up the execution history and see exactly what kind of data came in, what data went out, and where that failure exactly happened. It highlights the exact step that broke. You don't actually need to read through the error logs. It's all visual. It makes everything pretty easy and fast, especially if you're not a developer. Number three, it is easy to copy, share, and reuse them. So n8n allows you to export workflows as JSON files where you can copy and paste individual nodes and import the entire templates. This is massive for agencies. If you've built an automation for one client, you can very quickly duplicate it, make a few adjustments, and deploy it for another client in a fraction of the time. So we've got templates within our community that people can literally import and start using immediately. That kind of portability, for us at least, is a real advantage for all kinds of use cases. Now, n8n is obviously not perfect. I'm now going to go through some of the areas where it does fall short. Number one, it does take time to create these automations. So even if you know what you're doing, building a workflow from scratch in n8n, you are going to be manually setting up each of those nodes, configuring the credentials, mapping the data fields, and testing each step individually. For more complex workflows, this can take hours at a minimum to days to get right. There's really no shortcut around this. You are going to be building it piece by piece, and that is just going to take time. Number two, you're limited by the capabilities of the nodes that we have. So this is a really big downside. Obviously, n8n has a huge library of integrations and nodes, but at the end of the day, you can only do what those nodes allow you to do. If a specific API endpoint isn't supported by a node, or if you need custom logic that doesn't fit neatly into the existing nodes that they have, you're going to have to get creative with workarounds, or start using the code node, which kind of defeats the purpose of using a visual tool in the first place. There are situations where you just hit a wall with n8n, and the only option is to write custom code anyways. Now let's talk about the advantages of Claude Code. So number one, it codes everything and it requires minimal manual work. So this is going to be the most obvious advantage, and it is obviously a big one as well. Instead of spending hours manually configuring each step, you just describe what you want in plain English, and Claude Code is going to build it for you. The AI itself is going to handle that logic, API setups, data, error handling, everything. So for someone who understands what they need, but doesn't want to spend the time manually building it node by node, this is an absolute game changer. What might take you 2 to 3 hours in n8n could potentially be generated in 5 to 10 minutes with Claude Code. For number two, you're not really limited by anything. So since Claude Code is writing actual code, there's essentially no restrictions on what you can build. If an API exists, you can integrate with it. If you need custom logic, conditional flows, data manipulation, whatever it is, it can all be coded directly. You're not going to be constrained by what a pre-built node supports. You've got the full power of a programming language right away. Number three, it is easy to create. You literally just prompt automations into existence. So the barrier to entry for building the first version of something is incredibly low. You don't need to understand how the nodes actually work. You don't need to understand how to map data between steps. You just need to clearly describe what you want in English. But this isn't all amazing. Claude Code does obviously have some serious downsides that you do need to be aware of. So number one, it's hard to view what's actually happening, and this is building off the back of what I just talked about. So when your automation is a script, the only way to understand what it's doing is to read the code itself. There isn't really a visual canvas. There's no flow diagram. It's just lines of code in a file. So for beginners and non-technical people, this is a real problem. You can't just glance at it and immediately understand the logic of what's going on. Number two, debugging can be a nightmare if you're not technical. So when something breaks in the code, you're going to get an error message. Sometimes that error message is helpful. A lot of the time, it's probably not. If you don't have experience reading error logs or knowing how to find issues in a script, you are probably going to get stuck. Yes, you can feed the error back into Claude Code and ask it to fix it itself. That often works, but there are going to be situations where the AI is going to start to go in circles, fixing one thing and breaking another, and you need to be able to understand the code yourself to resolve that issue. Number three, it is difficult to copy and share if you're not technical. So unlike n8n, where you can export a JSON file and anyone can import it, sharing a coded automation requires a few other steps that somebody needs to understand: how to set up the environment, install dependencies, API keys, run the script, and all of that. So it's a completely different skill set, and it massively limits the portability, especially in a team or agency setting where maybe not everyone is a developer. So which one should we actually be using? Well, if you're building automations for clients, if you're running an agency, if you need to hand things off to other team members, or if you want to be able to maintain and debug things quickly over time, n8n is still going to be quite a good choice. The visual part of it makes collaboration and scaling just that much easier. If you're building automations for yourself, if you're more technical, or if you need to do something that n8n simply can't handle with its existing nodes, Claude Code is incredibly powerful and will save you a massive amount of time through development. So honestly, I think the real power move is probably just going to be using both. So use n8n as your primary automation layer, the thing that the clients, if they want to see it, can see, the thing that your team is going to maintain, and use Claude Code for any kind of edge cases, custom scripts, things that don't really fit neatly into that visual workflow. You could even ask Claude Code to build an n8n workflow and import it into your account if you want to get creative. But often I've found that this method causes Claude to just use the code node in n8n quite a lot, which kind of defeats the purpose of the entire interface in the first place. But if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Are you on team n8n or on team Claude Code, or maybe you're using both as well?